Hello everyone! I went outside so I could practice some shapes using natural materials. Natural materials means that you can use them from things that are in nature, like sticks and rocks and leaves. So let's try and figure out what shapes I'm trying to make. First, let's talk about some shapes so you can remember what we need to be looking for. What shape is this? A circle. What about this one? A triangle. Ooh, you know your shapes. And this one? Square. And this one? A rectangle. And ooh, this one's hard. A diamond. It kind of looks like a square, but it's a little squished. Alright, so let's play the game. I'm going to be making shapes with natural materials and you have to tell me what it is. Come on. I found some sticks. So let's put one stick here, another one here, it's pretty long, and another one at the end, and then another long stick at the top. What shape do I have? It has two short ends and two long ends on the top and bottom. It's a rectangle. That's right. Let's see what other shapes I can make. Put this stick here. Put this one up here. This one on the side. And this one on the bottom. What shape do I have? It has 4 equal sides. You're right, it's a square. You're really good at this game. Let's see what other shapes I can make. So we have this stick here at an angle. This one on top, making a point or a corner. And then one right below it. What shape has 3 sides and 3 corners? A triangle, you've got it. You're really good at your shapes. Now let's try something a little harder. We did a square before, but what shape is this? We talked about it earlier. It has 4 sides, but they're not equal. A diamond. It's a diamond. So I kept on walking until I found another kind of material. And it was a whole bunch of rocks. Let's see what shapes I can make now. Can you guess what shape I'm making? It's a circle, you're right. I made a circle with my rocks. Let's try a different shape. Make a line up here, a line over here. Almost done. And I made a rectangle. What shape do you think I'm going to make? Do you know what it is? Let's try another natural material, leaves. I like using big and small leaves. Can you tell what shape I'm making? You are so right. It's a square. Let's try another one. What about this? I bet you'll know this shape too. Can you guess what I'm making? It's a triangle! That was so much fun! Thank you for playing with me! Now we can make our own squares and circles and rectangles and triangles outside. Can you go and make some and send me lots of pictures and videos? I want to see what kind of shapes you make. Alright my friends, I'll see you next time. Keep practicing.